What's up, YouTube? This is Dante with Dante's Card Dungeon, here today to talk about Ritual Monster. Ritual summons are a kind of special summon that you perform by playing a ritual spell card. Before you begin, you need to have the monster you want to ritual summon and the appropriate ritual summon spell card in your hand. The spell card will tell you what it can ritual summon and the conditions. This particular one I have here is called Lord of the Red. It's one of my faves. Attribute Fire, level 8, monster type dragon card. Ritual effect, attack is 24, defense is 2100. You can ritual summon this card with Red Eye's Transmigration. Once per turn, when a card effect is activated, except Lord of the Red quick effect, you can target one monster on the field, destroy it. Once per turn, when a card effect is activated, except Lord of the Red quick effect, you could target one spell or trap card on the field and destroy it. I think it's pretty useful. I've played with it a bunch of times. I think they're pretty awesome. Tell me, what are some of your favorite ritual cards? Like and subscribe, comment. Alright. This is Dante of Dante's Card Dungeon saying good night, good afternoon, good morning. See you later, YouTube.